What do you think makes us human?
Πρώτο πράγμα, η καρδιά. Η καρδιά, μακάρι έχει κόσμο, δεν έχει φαγητά, μπορεί τα βοήθεια, μπορεί τα κάνει έτσι πράγμα.
Are you scared or excited about artificial intelligence?
Yes. Εγώ φοβάμαι από τέτοια πράγμα, γιατί έχει πολύ κόσμο. Η κόσμο δεν είναι όλα ίδιο. Κόσμο έχει πολύ κόσμο καλά, έχει κόσμο δεν είναι καλά. Για τέτοια πράγμα εγώ φοβάμαι. Φοβάμαι από όλα πρόβλημα. Τέτοια πράγματα.
Do you think AI will affect your children?
Arabic children, English children, all the same. Τα έχει πρόβλημα από αυτό. Φοβάμαι από όλα. Μα δεν έχει τεχνολογία, εγώ δεν έχει τεχνολογία πάρα πολύ, αλλά όλοι τώρα έχει πρόβλημα, έχει πρόβλημα.
Thank you.
Hey, welcome.
The only thing I can say in Arabic is I like watermelon.
You were from?
Greece.
Greece.
A lot.
Yes, Syria. Okay, Greece. Is Arabic?
Λίγο να. Κάτι μου συσκευή. Καλό είναι.
Have you used AI tools?
Yes, very recently.
What do you think those tools are best used for, and are you scared of artificial intelligence?
It depends on the form. I think it can be useful just like a calculator was useful for arithmetic. I mean, before that, you had to do long form, it saved a lot of time.
Sure.
And in my opinion, if it's about the result, I think tools are great. If the outcome is you're in a store and you want to add something really quickly, calculators are great because it gets you out of the store faster. No harm, no foul. I think you still should be able to do basic math. But AI, I think, if you use it correctly, it can save you a lot of time. I get hired freelance as a writer to do blog posts. I know I can type in a prompt to basically give me a frame. It doesn't mean I just let it completely write everything for me, but it saves me probably about 3 hours worth of work to basically put a framework that I then can go back and edit and put my own words in. But I think it can be dangerous when people just use it completely to replace humans, and I think it's blatantly obvious when it does replace humans.
Do you think there's anything that AI couldn't replicate with humans?
In the music world, yes, where I probably have the most experience and the biggest platform to speak in. I started recording records on tape, and everyone in that world likes to argue that's still the best way to do it. Of course, you can make a strong argument that you could do something just as nice on a computer or a laptop. But now with AI, people are doing songs completely on that, and I think it removes the human quality, and anyone with a real ear, it's really a distinct difference between a real product that's actually made by humans and something that's not. And I don't think it ever will be able to replicate it.
How do you see it affecting your children's generation, your daughter?
Making them extremely lazy, but also taking jobs. I think that it could take jobs away from people, depending on what it is. I think careers like counseling and philanthropy and things like that, I think that there's always going to be something where there's a human connection sitting across from each other. But I think for like the mediocre jobs that, I don't know, accounting, you name it, there's so many things that will probably replace, and that's kind of scary.
Yeah.
I think as long as it's respected and used as a tool and not as a crutch, it's going to be great.
What do you think makes us human?
The ability to have empathy and the ability to make mistakes and the ability to correct them. Everything in life that's good comes through pain. Childbirth, this guitar, all these strings and stuff are pulled, stretched. There's a lot of chaos going on when you hit it, but the result and release of it is beauty. And I think that's something that makes us human, the acknowledgement of that, and that's life in general. And AI has no idea or concept what that is because it's not real. It's a digital representation of what we are. And that's the main difference, is that we are living, breathing, created things. That is something we created. We are a creation just like that is. It's that we created that, God created us. That's, in my opinion, the primary difference.
What do you think it means to live a good life?
Not living within the bounds and the realms of what you were taught, but arriving at your own. Sure, take opinions, take education, take things that people teach you, but think for yourself and find your own answers. We live in a world now that's so divided, especially in the U.S. with politics and stuff, and most people are so deceived and they believe fully with all their heart something that is completely not true. because somebody else told it to them instead of actually taking the time to research it for themselves.
Where did this belief come from? We don't ask ourselves that.
What's the question again? Like, how did I arrive at that?
What was the question?
Belief. Well, I was saying that people need to become informed
Yes.
on their own.
Yeah. Having that critical thought, being able to.
Yeah. I've always been that way. It's in my DNA, but I think a lot of people just trust. And they believe that because someone's on the news saying something that they got to be telling the truth, because why wouldn't they? But unlike ever before in human history, we now have access to people actually pulling the covers on that and showing them that's not what's happening.
Yeah.
People are actually telling us complete nonsense.
Yeah.
And
It's a slow awakening.
it's slow awakening. Some people still want to stick their head in the sand and believe that, you know, if you say that you're a conspiracy theorist or you're crazy or you're a Nazi. I'm very apolitical. I never have really been aligned with that, but I think the division has come from people sincerely believing things are being fed. Yeah. I'll cap it out by saying this. I heard a really, really good example by a guy on YouTube, and he's an Instagram guy named Gary McVee, I think.
Yeah.
He said that 99.99% of human interactions are good. They're positive, like this one we're having right now.
Of course.
People get along. But if you want to find trouble and chaos and catastrophe and everything being wrong,
You'll find it.
open up Instagram, go on YouTube, turn on the news, and everything's horrible. But if you go out in life and walk around and talk to people, it's not that bad. It's not as bad as everyone thinks it is. So that's reality for me.
Thank you for sharing that.
You got it.
Thank you. I appreciate it. What's your name?
My name is Martina. What makes us human? The soul we have.
Are you afraid or excited about artificial intelligence?
I like ChatGPT, but I'm afraid about AI in general.
Do you use it for your homework?
I use ChatGPT only for my homework when I need some help. But I'm scared that we're gonna lose our jobs with AI. I mean, painters, artists.
How is AI changing Greece now?
AI has caused some problems. Many people use it and for bad reasons, to hurt other people. So to make fake videos about some people.
So if you could ask AI one question and it could give you an actual answer that wasn't biased, what would that be? What question would you ask?
To AI.
To AI, yes. To an artificial general intelligence. What is one question that you want answered more than anything?
I'm kind of confused.
That's okay. That's okay.
Take your time.
Yeah.
No, I can answer. I'm just thinking.
Okay, take your time.
I would ask AI that what AI thinks for us humans. What the artificial intelligence has seen through the years with our questions.
Yeah.
I mean, we people ask AI stupid things sometimes. Yes.
What's a stupid thing that you've asked AI?
What do you believe for Greece? Such things I have asked AI.
Thank you, Martina, for taking the time to talk to me. All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What makes us human?
The natural, the feelings.
Feelings.
Yeah, I think that they are very important.
Are you scared or excited about artificial intelligence?
I think there are a lot of useful things in this. Maybe it's not ready to help us fully now, but I think that in the future it can help us.
Is there any fear you have about it?
Yes, να μην ξέρω εγώ άπραγος, αλλά θα πρέπει.
Yes. Yes.
Do anything.
Thank you for sharing with me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, thank you. Yes, go ahead.
What do you think? How do you think AI would affect, like, say, your next generation, so your child?
I don't.
Can you?
Yeah, how do you think it will affect your children?
I don't know yet. I
don't know. Nobody knows.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What makes us human?
Probably feelings
Feelings.
and the soul in general. Like, I think that what extinguishes us from machines and stuff
Yeah.
is that we can feel and that we also can think on a deeper level.
Have you ever used ChatGPT?
Yeah.
Or should we be scared or excited about AI?
I think both. Scared mostly because it's kind of crazy what things you can do and find for you. Like I basically use it on an everyday basis. Like, what can I eat today? I have these and these things, and it just gives me all that stuff, which is kind of scary. Like, how do you know?
It tastes good?
Yeah,
Do you think your children will be affected by AI?
definitely. I mean, I am affected because I use it on a daily basis. Therefore, I think that my children will not be able to even think without using it. That's why I'm really aware of what is going to happen after. I really love using ChatGPT, but will I be able to live without it after I get used to it on a daily basis?
I see. You become dependent on it.
If you had one wish to make, or one question to AI, what would it be? Or you can ask.
Yes, if we had a super advanced artificial general intelligence, which is what they're working on, right? Something that can do really high level problems, what question would you ask it?
I think I would ask, when will I die? I think that's what I would want to know.
Okay.
I don't know why, but I'm really interested in what the AI is thinking. I know it's not thinking on its own, but I don't know. I find myself constantly thinking, does it feel, if they generate a better version, will it be able to think or feel? That's what I'm scared of actually.
Thank you, ladies. All right.
What question could I make?
What makes us human?
Ελεύθερη επιλογή και συνείδηση, εγώ θα έλεγα, μας κάνει ανθρώπους. Δεν ξέρω τι άλλο θα μπορούσε να...
Θα συμφωνήσω και εγώ με αυτό. Δεν έχω να προσθέσω κάτι άλλο.
Πες το συναίσθημα εσύ.
Έλα εδώ να το πεις.
Ναι, και νομίζω και το συναίσθημα, ακόμα και το συναίσθημα που έχουμε σαν κομμάτι ανθρώπινο,
Να μιλήσει με
προκύπτει από αυτή τη διαδικασία συνείδησης. Όταν έχεις τη συνείδηση για να μπορέσεις να αποφασίσεις τι θέλεις πραγματικά, τι θέλεις να κάνεις, τι θέλεις να είσαι, προκύπτει και το κομμάτι όλο το υπόλοιπο σαν απόρρια. Θα πω εγώ.
Ωραία. Do you want to ask anything else?
Do you think would you like anything?
Are you scared of AI or excited?
Both. Και τα δύο, θα πω. Από την άποψη ότι είναι κάτι το οποίο το βλέπουμε να εφαρμόζεται πολύ γρήγορα και πολύ έντονα στη ζωή μας και δεν ξέρω ίσως που μπορεί να προλάβουν να μπουν κάποια όρια για να μπορέσει να υπάρχει σωστή χρήση αυτού. Αυτό.
Thank you. Thank you. Have you guys ever used ChatGPT?
Yes, I have.
What do you use it for?
I was using it for my thesis, to be honest.
What do you use it for?
Me for my cat.
Your chat. Are you scared or excited about the future of artificial intelligence?
I am both scared and excited, but mostly scared, I would say.
Why?
Mostly for ecological reasons, because of like how much energy it consumes and like the possibilities of it being used in war crimes and all this stuff.
Are you scared or excited?
Yeah, I'm mostly excited because I think the possibilities are endless. So yeah.
What do you think it means to be human? What do you think it means to be human in the age of artificial intelligence?
Yeah, I think you have to be authentic. Yeah, kind.
Kind.
Yeah.
Do you think your children will be affected by artificial intelligence?
If I also have any children, yes, definitely.
Do you think you won't have children?
I think so, at least not my own. I mean, I'm gonna definitely take care of some.
Yeah. You know, there's a population collapse happening right now around the world. Yeah, people need to have more kids.
Okay.
Thank you for taking the time. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.